Welcome to a groundbreaking moment in technology. SoftBank's ARM is set to unveil something revolutionary. Mark your calendars. By 2025, ARM Holdings, supported by SoftBank, will launch its innovative artificial intelligence chips, set to transform the technology landscape. From concept to reality, watch as ARM's logo transforms, symbolizing their leap into pioneering AI chip technology. Under the visionary leadership of Masayoshi Son, ARM is not just participating in the AI revolution, it's leading it. A new chapter begins as ARM establishes a dedicated division focusing solely on advancing AI chip technology. By spring 2025, ARM plans to have the first prototypes ready, setting the stage for a new era of AI capabilities. Fast forward to fall 2025, and mass production kicks off, bringing ARM's AI innovations to the global market. ARM is securing partnerships with top manufacturers to ensure the highest quality and production capabilities. Backed by significant investment from SoftBank, ARM's venture into AI chips is built on a foundation of strong financial support. This strategic move has already started paying off, with ARM's market valuations soaring to new heights. ARM's expertise in chip design is now being channeled into the specialized sector of artificial intelligence. With strategic shifts on the horizon, ARM is poised to disrupt traditional business models within the tech industry. As ARM gears up for competition, it could reshape relationships with cloud giants and set new industry standards. Imagine a world where AI chips enhance everything from your smartphone to complex data centers. ARM is also pioneering the use of sustainable energy sources to power its future AI data centers. With plans for next-generation fusion technology, ARM is not just thinking about the future of AI, but the future of our planet. This shift from licensing to manufacturing is more than just a change in business strategy, it's a bold new direction for ARM. ARM is now in direct competition with tech titans, setting the stage for an exciting era of innovation and market dynamics. A new era in AI chip development begins, as ARM steps up to pioneer AI innovation alongside global tech leaders. Excitement builds as the future of AI takes shape, with the tech community buzzing over ARM's bold moves. Together, SoftBank and ARM are not just participating in the AI revolution, they're aiming to lead it, promising exciting advancements ahead. For more information and updates, visit allaboutai.com. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.